Okay, let's do question 63. I'll do it as a teaching question. It feels like a full potential question there. So it says here that Diamond takes 15,000 hours to complete their production. So they actually use 15,000 hours. This is what actually hours, and um, at a total cost of 150,000. So that what you must have actually spent £10 on this situation. This is not the standard cost. This is the actual cost. Okay, fine. Now, um, first of all, it says here that the labor rate variance was 3,750. So I kind of need to wait a little. Oh, sorry, forgive me. The labor rate variance was 3,750 favorable. So this is a good one actually, um, because um, the because the what I'm saying here is this. I'm saying that sorry, it was favorable. Let's go here. This was favorable. Yeah, so just bear with me. I don't know why I've just started off on that sort of note. I'll just clean this off. So what is this saying? I think it's so important to understand. The labor rate variance. So this means that what you did was 3,750 less than what we were expecting you to do. So the standard is here. This is the standard. And the standard times the actual number of hours that you did. There's a difference over there. And the question, actually, I really wanted to do this as an exam question where I was going to use efficiency, but I don't need to because x minus 10, or if you like, um, or I suppose I could look at it this way. I could multiply because if the standard rate times 15,000, so 15,000 x minus 150,000 is equal to this variance of 3,750. So therefore 15,000 x is equal to 3,750 plus 150,000, right? And therefore this is 15,000 x is equal to 153,750, which means that x is equal to 153,750 divided by 15,000. So what am I saying? This is the labor rate variance, right? So you have a favorable variance because you have spent less than what we expected you to spend over the actual number of input or labor hours bought in, right? And that's what that is, and that's what this is really asking for. It's not really asking for efficiency. Then I would have been looking here and trying to work as to what this that. But really, I'm here straight away, right? So this 153,750 divided by 15,000 gives you £10.25. So the standard labor rate is £10.25, right? But you've done better, haven't you, by doing that less there. So several, like I say, a number of ways of thinking, but I thought this was a fast way to do it. You could have done the x minus 10 times 15,000 is equal to 3,750. That's one thing you could have done. And that is question 63.